Hello, Jilly Cube here. I was in experimental mode today. It was pouring with rain and it was very cold, hence a big jumper on. It's not a usual occurrence in Australia or in Queensland for me to wear big jumpers, even in wintertime. But anyway, here we go. I had that was just my white paint, my normal mix with the global impasto paints, and the recipe for my pouring medium is in the drop down box. And I was just trying out some leftover colours that I had, which were mostly Amsterdam colours, and they were all mixed with my pouring medium. So I'm just going to, as you see, I'm putting a bed down of paint, and then I'm going to start to layer the colours. So the first one is, there you go, it's yellow, and they're all Amsterdam paints. So I will show you the paint colours as I layer them down in the centre to be able to do a centre swipe with them. So at this point I was just swiping with my normal colour. There wasn't any silicone in any of the paints, and there was only Floetrol in the base paint on the white. So it was got no special mix of the, that I would normally do, putting Floetrol in my swipe colour or anything. As I said, it only had Floetrol in the base colour. And some weird and wonderful things started to happen. Just watch. So just look at that. Some really weird and wonderful things. It kind of is creating, like, I think the ladies call it a cloud pour, where all the paint starts to get eaten up by its base coat. So that's what was happening here. So all those other colours were kind of getting eaten away. And as I said, I started this off just as an experiment for myself to see if I didn't add any other anything else but my own pouring medium to the paint. And this is what started to go on. So I thought I just wanted to do something to jazz up that middle bit and continue on with my experimenting. So now at this point I add the ultraviolet, or the purple, that is mixed with only Floetrol, and that is the titanium white with the Floetrol. So I just have a go with this one and add a bit more colours to it, and I intend to go to my next stage and blow this one out. So let's see what happens here after I've added the colours. So at this point, I didn't particularly like what I did, so I just decided to blow that out over the whole thing and see what kind of effect I got, because I was getting this kind of really special and different effect underneath. I thought, how cool would it look when I blow the whole lot over it? So I was really pleased with this result. Now it's getting that same effect again, seeing if I try it again with some other technique or other colours, see if I can actually get it, because the reaction with the paint was quite unusual and really nice. So I'm really happy with it at this point, except I think as I do that centre needs, you know, some jazzing up. So you can guess what my next bit of, yes, there you go. My little water balloon, or it's just a balloon with a bit of water in. So I kind of jazz it up with that, and the effect is really beautiful. So yes, at this point I'm really thinking, oh my goodness, that is a really you know, a nice, obviously a base, and how I mix the paints, it just turned out a really lovely and different effect. So I'll bring you down closer to give you a little squizzy. Wow, what an unusual effect. I certainly was not expecting that. So these paints were only mixed with, they were all Amsterdam, and I don't usually use all of the same brand of Amsterdam together at one time, I must admit. It's with my normal pouring medium, my own pouring medium, and then the base was the global white mixed with my pouring medium. And it's created this awesome effect. That's really unusual, but I'm loving it. What do you guys think? It's kind of, I can't explain it. It's pretty nice. I like it, so I hope you do too. That was just a little experiment. So using all Amsterdam paints with my pouring medium and not with Floetrol. So there you go. There you go. Another day, another thing learned. So my people, please take care, and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Bye for now.